Hello everyone, welcome to KEDA SUREMAKER. I am Luay Abu Al-Wafa, the AAC Technical Manager for Middle East and North Africa. I'm excited here to share with you the progress of our Intelligent Manufacturing Workshop. Since the groundbreaking ceremony in July 2023, we have achieved significant milestones. Our production building structure were completed and key pieces of equipment installed and undergoing testing. Our dedicated team were working under pressure to ensure that we are ahead of the schedule. Our new facility is designed to enhance our production capabilities by incorporating cutting-edge technologies and streamlined workflow. Notably, we introduced advanced robots, cutting-edge machines that will allow us and ensure the precision and efficiency. Our state-of-art, the painting line, will guarantee a high-quality finishes, and the installed gantry milling machine will allow us to handle a large-scale components with an exceptional accuracy. Once fully operational, we are expecting a large and substantial boost in our production capacity that will serve our worldwide clients with advanced AAC machinery. At KEDA SUREMAKER, we are highly proud in the swift progress through our collaborative efforts. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to grow and innovate. Thank you for watching.